Have you ever downloaded a loan app, applied for money, and they only give you 500 shillings? You felt disappointed, right? Maybe you thought that this app does not trust you, or maybe you've done something wrong. But here is the truth. Your loan limit is not fixed. You can grow from 500 shillings to 10,000 shillings or even more, if you know exactly how to play by the rule. And today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to increase your limits on Kenya's top loan apps. And stay with me till the end, because I will share with you 3 secret habits that makes these apps trust you faster and unlocks higher loan limits within weeks. Hi, welcome back to this channel. I'm your friend Mose Wamkota, and here we talk about how to make money online, loan apps, and smart ways to grow financially online. So if you're new here, please subscribe, turn on notification bell so that you cannot miss our future uploads, and make sure to hit that like button. It helps us a lot. So let's get into real talk. How can I move from 500 shillings to 10,000 shillings on loan apps here in Kenya? Loan apps such as Zenga and Tala, they does not trust new users immediately. They just give you from 500 shillings to 1,000 shillings to test if you are a responsible borrower. This first loan that you get from Zenga or Tala is not meant for rich, but it is to test and measure your discipline. They check on how fast you repay, how consistent your M-Pesa activity is, and whether your phone's data and contacts look genuine. So if you pass that test, your next loan limit jumps automatically. So the secret is that your first loan here is a test, not a punishment. So let me give you 10 proven ways to grow from punch to 10K quickly on these Kenya's top loan apps. Number 1 is that don't wait until due dates. For example, if the app gives you 21 days, make sure to repay on 10 to 15th day. Early repayment will tell the system that this person is reliable. And guess what? Your next loan limit will automatically increase. The more active you are, the more data they collect. And if you borrow once and it disappears for months, your limit freezes. So here is the tip. Borrow small, repay fast, and that is a winning cycle. Now to elaborate on this, for example, I can borrow 1,000 shillings from Zenga loan app. Then I go and buy things that I can sell quickly. Then I repay their loan within 1 week. After I have fully repaid their loan, I can borrow again. That's what I'm talking about, a winning cycle. Another tip is that you need to keep your M-Pesa active. Most apps analyzes your M-Pesa statements behind the scene. So use your M-Pesa daily, buy goods, pay bills, and even send money using your M-Pesa line. The more active you are, the more trust you build with the lenders. And if you default even on one app, others notices too. For example, if you borrow from Zenga, and then you come and then borrow again from Tala or Metalon, these apps notices. Why? Because most of these apps share the same credit data. Defaulting kills your loan's profile instantly, and it can take months to recover. I remembered 2 years ago, I applied a loan on Zashelon. Then after 3 days, I applied on Zenga loan. It took a lot of time to recover my loan profile. Another tip is that you need to update your profile and app regularly. Use the same names, same ID, Keep your details consistent. Same phone, same ID, and same SIM card. If you change phone or reset data frequently, it looks suspicious. Another thing is that you need to link multiple payment channels. For example, you can link your Tala app to your bank. The more service you use, the faster your score grows. Deposit money, save money, and use bill payment services to boost your trust score. Use referrals. Some apps such as Tala and Zenga boosts your scores if your referrals pays well and faster. And that is an easy way to rise from 1,000 shillings to 1,500 shillings in just few weeks. So let me show you what this looks like in a real life examples. Loan apps such as Tala, starting limit is from 500 shillings and growth timeline is 3 to 4 successful repayments. Branch gives you from 250 shillings to 1,000 and the growth limit is from 2 to 3 months and you can get up to 300,000 shillings. Zenga gives you from 500 shillings and growth limit is when you repay 4 fast repayments and you can get up to 300,000 shillings on this Zenga loan app. And on Timiza you can get from 1,000 shillings and growth timeline is up to 60 active days. And here you can get up to 150,000 shillings if you are an active member on Timiza app. And on KCB M-Pesa you can get up to 1,000 shillings and growth timeline depends on your regular savings and you can get up to 100,000 shillings on KCB M-Pesa. So if you are at 500 today, in 2 to 3 months you can grow up to 10k or more if you follow these right patterns. Now let's talk about mistakes that stops you from growing. Let's be honest, most people never move past 500 mark because of these simple mistakes. Number 1 is paying late, even once, and number 2 is uninstalling app. For example, if you uninstall any loan app, it means that you are removing data from your phone. Another mistake that I have seen many people doing is that using fake or duplicate accounts. This one will definitely stop you from growing. And also borrowing from too many apps. For example, you are borrowing from Metalon, Fair Cash Plus, Lend Plus, Zenga, Tala, and even Coro app. This one will limit your loan growing. Another mistake that I have seen is that most people ignore in-app messages or updates. Remember, these apps tracks behavior through algorithms. Every action counts and consistency builds trust. Once you reach higher loan limits like 10k, keep your reputation strong. Pay before the due dates always and borrow only what you can repay. Keep your M-Pesa balance active and your phone number stable. Don't delete your SMS or data. That helps apps verify your history. And finally, review your app's ratings. Some apps rewards loyal customers. So that is how you can grow from 500 shillings to 10,000 shillings on Kenya's loan apps. It is not about luck, it is consistency and smart money behaviors. So if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with friends who keeps asking, bro, why is my loan limit not increasing? I'm Mosewa Mkota and this is Online Money Tech. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.